Hi, my name is Eric, and I'm an application engineer here at Purple. On this edition of 30 on 3D, I'm going to talk about why you should consider SLA for investment casting. Traditional investment casting takes a lot of time. Not only do you have to make the pattern, you also need to add in wax vents, sprues, and a pouring cup. All of these then require an autoclave. With SLA, you can print the same components with the pattern and fully eliminate the manual process. Not only is the traditional method time-consuming, but there's a chance that the ceramic shell could crack. Here's what happens. During the autoclave process, temperature and pressure can cause the pattern to expand and crack. In this case, the cracked shell can't be repaired, and you're back to square one having to redo the entire process. You fully eliminate this possibility with an SLA pattern. Since you don't need the autoclave, you skip a sizable amount of production time. Another thing a user needs to consider is burnout. The cleaner the burnout, the smoother and more accurate the final part is. A traditional SLA printed pattern has antimony in the material, which leaves an ashy residue after burnout. This can impact part quality and make it challenging to remove in the shell. Stratasys SLA 3D printing improves burnout and part quality with a specially formulated material, Somos Watershed AF, which is antimony free. It is designed to accurately print the pattern and reduce ash residue for a more accurate shell and cleaner process. Cleaner burnouts achieve superior surface finishes and require less post-processing and finishing work. Lastly, let's talk about part size and speed. With the Stratasys Neo 800 Plus, a user can print an investment casting pattern up to 31 by 31 by 23 inches in size. The oversized build platform was designed to accommodate most applications. Did I also mention that the Neo 800 Plus prints 30% faster than legacy 3D printers? It's safe to say that using a Stratasys SLA casting process is faster, more efficient, accurate, and cleaner than other methods. If you have any questions or want to see the Neo 800 Plus in person, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thank you for watching 30 on 3D.